welcome to Lynn's Recipes. I'm making garlic cheese biscuits tonight to go along with our chicken noodle soup. To make these biscuits, these are the ingredients that you'll need. You'll need 2 cups of Bisquick, and I'm using the Heart Healthy Bisquick. You'll need 2/3 of a cup of milk, and I'm using skim milk. A 1/2 cup of grated cheddar cheese. And then after the biscuits are done, those are the ingredients you'll need to mix the biscuits up. But after they're done and out of the oven, we're going to mix a 1/2 stick of butter that's been melted with a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and then we're going to brush the tops of the biscuits with them. So now we're going to mix our biscuits together. Put in our 2 cups of Bisquick, our 2/3 a cup of milk, and our 1/2 cup of cheese. And so now all we're doing is just stirring all these ingredients together. Let's get it all mixed up good. It's a stiff batter, but that's the way it's supposed to be. So now we're ready to put in our baking sheet that has been sprayed with cooking spray. And all you do is just take spoonfuls and put it on your tray. Our biscuits are all on the baking tray now. I got 9 biscuits out of this mix, and now what I'm going to do is put them in a 450-degree preheated oven for 15 minutes. Our biscuits are done. They actually only cooked for 13 minutes in the oven. So now what I'm going to do is mix our 1/2 stick of melted butter with our garlic powder. And it's a 1/4 teaspoon. And then just stir it around in the melted butter. And then you just take a pastry brush and brush this all over the top of the biscuits while they're really hot. This really adds a lot of good flavor to them. There we go. So now I'll just put them on a serving platter and show them to you in a minute. So here are our garlic cheese biscuits. I hope you enjoy them.